Hey, my cuties. Just found this on my walk. Isn't that insane? That's a huge bee's nest. Wow. It's amazing what you find in these trees when the leaves all leave, eh? So cool. And then we got this nest in here. It looks like it could be a wasp nest, but I can't tell. And this is right across the street from the other one. Neat. And then there's this one. I think it might be a bird's nest. I'm not sure. And then, 2 trees away. And then there's this one, 2 trees away. So interesting. Comment below if you know what these guys do. Do they come back to it or they rebuild? What?